Hello guys, good morning. This is Geraldine and welcome back to our channel. Say hello everyone. Hello everyone. So this is Geraldine and here's Yumi.
Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. This is the Rose Quad Vlogs.
So I just finished my night shift and I came back around 7 o'clock or 7:15. I went to bed at 7:30 and I had a 1 hour sleep with Yumi. That's why I look haggard like this. Instead of just sitting around and watching TV, I decided to clean up the fridge. It's very filthy. Excuse me for those of you who are eating there. Excuse my fridge. It's really dirty and filthy. I've been busy over the holidays and as you can expect, the fridge will be a lot messy because I got no time to clean it up. So over there at my back, those are some of my my stuff from the fridge. Some of the shelves I've already cleaned them up. I've washed them and then I'll show you what the fridge looks like. Although I don't have the before video where all of this stuff are still inside. And yeah, I just remembered. But anyway, I'll show you what it looks like. And don't bash my fridge, please. So as you can see, we have a very small fridge. And I got a lot of magnets here from our travels and also some photos. It's really messy because the girls keeps on taking them off and putting them back, and that's why it looks like that. So at the top we have the freezer. It's really packed with a lot of stuff here, and yeah, we just chuck them in. No organization and it's just a big no-no. OMG, look at that. I think I better organize my freezer this time. Okay, let's close this. And this is my fridge, or the inside of my refrigerator. Yeah, this is the top shelf, and I already took them out. And some other shelves over here that I've already, yeah, so you can see all the dirt. As you can see, there's a lot of dirty areas here, some crumbs, stains, and over here as well. So we're gonna give it a good clean. And also all of the stuff here are just messy. Yeah, that's the word of the day, messy. Got some cheese, butter and jam, and down here I got here my homemade kimchi and some other stuff here that are not supposed to be here. I think this one needs to go to the rubbish, and that's not much in the fridge actually. It's just full of messy stuff. Full of stuff that needs to be thrown away, like this one. Oh no, this one got ham inside, and there's some other stuff there that needs to be thrown to the rubbish bin. And here I got here some drinks for the girls, and that one is like a Yakult or probiotic drink, and some juice. Look, I put my pot here because we were too lazy last night to transfer them in a container. And comment down below if you do the same. And just because we're too lazy. And I got here this bread. We just put it inside the fridge because it's quite hot weather and we don't want it to get moldy easily. And yeah, there's some other stuff, bottles there, relish, and some shrimp paste. And we got here a leftover rosé or wine from the holidays. I don't know if we're gonna finish that one. And down here it's just full of stuff that I don't know. We got here, we just put like a mixture of stuff here. There's vegetables and there's also rice cake or tteokbokki and salted egg, and I don't know why there is a mango here. I think it's from my friend. They put the 2 mangoes down there. And we also got this whipping cream. I don't know why is it down there. Maybe we got no space, so that's why it's okay. So that's about it. That's our messy fridge. So first I tackle this side, and then now I'm gonna start with the top layer on this side where the butter and the cheese are, and then go from there and then going down. So let's
underwater, can't breathe here. You've been looking for somebody like me. I've been looking for somebody like you. Ooh. And oh, my heart is running out of time. I need you right here by my side, and I can be everything you want. 'Cause you can be, yeah, a submarine, yeah. We're going deep, yeah. We're going deep, yeah.
Maybe something dripped here and it went hard already. It's decayed. Actually, our light is not working. We haven't changed it. I don't know how you open this one, but our light needs to be changed too. See how dirty our shirt is. But the floor is so much. Getting there. Don't worry, I'll clean you up.
You don't even know what you do to me, how you make me feel. Whoa. Oh, come and set me free, baby, can't you see? You are my submarine. Whoa. You are my submarine.
Baby, baby, don't be cold, I will warm you. Every day I reach out to you as a high, baby. Let me warm you up. Let me love you much. Baby, don't hope to forget me. Enjoy your life, try to be happy. Come on with me, baby. Oh, oh, oh. Never ever leave without me. Oh, baby, now let me warm you up. Baby, please, let me love you much. Baby, baby, don't be cold, I will warm you. Every day I reach out to you as a heart, baby. Let me warm you up. Oh, love you much. You found me happy, you leave me happy. Every day I like to go far with you. Don't forget me now, oh, don't let me down. Everything I do is for you up, baby, yeah. Oh, oh, yeah, baby. Baby, baby, don't be cold, I will warm you. Every day I reach out to you as a heart, baby.
Here's the ice container and the hash brown. These are all the open stuff. Here's the hash brown and the fries and chips. I got here some meat, like this breast, chicken breast that we put in the freezer bag, and also some meat there, beef, and what's that one? I think that's bacon. And here's some more bacon. This is takoyaki and chicken patty, or what's that? Yeah, charcoal. Yeah, that's chicken. These are all open stuff. Opened pack of veggies. This is spinach. What's this one? Like cauliflower rice. Yeah, quinoa and cauliflower rice. Some mixed veggies. Jackfruit. This is edamame. And also broccoli rice. This is calamansi and radish, like a preserved radish, frozen radish. What's this one? Wrapper, wonton wrapper, and chili. Yeah, that's what the freezer looks like here. So we'll open this side too. We don't have the light. It's I don't have a light here inside the fridge. I hope you can see that. Temptation. Cheese, butter on top. This is a dipping sauce. Some more cheese at the back and spread over here, or jam. And here's the ham. This one is opened. I opened the pack of ham inside, so I put it in the container. Some juice over here. Some sauce. So here's some more bottle of stuffed chili sauce and some shrimp paste and gherkin and tomato relish. And here I just put stuff here. I don't know where to put them, like this Sprite. This is open Sprite. Dipping, what's this one? Whipped cream and rice cake, some grapes, and the open wine there. And at the bottom are the fruits and vegetables. So here's some carrots. Under that there's the salted egg. And this is cucumber. This is lettuce. And some avocados and mangoes. My friends put them there. I don't know why. And at this side, I just put this one ready to go for my work tomorrow. So I'll just grab them ready to go for breakfast. And dumpling pastry or dumpling wrapper for later. I just put this ginger here, but we're about to use it today. Some more sauce here, barbecue sauce. This is the Yamasa soy sauce, chili sauce at the back, and this is a maple syrup. There's some gochujang here. This one I haven't used before. Some jang and some more sauce. We love sauce. And at the bottom is the milk and some more soy sauce. We got soy sauce for everything. We got Korean soy sauce and also Japanese soy sauce. And this one is an oyster sauce made from China. I think it's made from China. Yeah, Hong Kong. We made from Hong Kong. So that's what our simple small fridge looks like. We only have a small fridge, right, Misha?
Yes.
Why did you put all of the pictures there? So, yep.
Welcome back to our channel. You can. See you